Ba George Bileng do MLA Jakasang Kongres na Omrai constituency ula ong ba kajing ya penbet ka bakarki apring ka Meghalaya barka Assam kanwan ra ya kajing ya bet apring upur usam apring kini ki atli ke jella ula ong ba sokar ka dibendan kamon na kamta banjakren menya penbet ya upur usam namal bagi pain ba ke basyong hapo upur usam jong ka jella Meghalaya barka Assam lama shibun kijing ula ong ruba kamdan kanu kajing ada bura atli ke sokar kishim ya karai nan dikitan kamon panungang ya kan kajing kabla slam
the state government to keep on engaging in a political dialogue with the Assam government and to ensure that we come to a conclusive exercise that will be beneficial for the citizens of both the states.
So do you think that probably a unified approach of all the affected states might help begin the pressure?
Here, as I said, it is a political will. So some state governments, maybe because of being the same party, may not be willing. Some state governments being in opposite parties may also will not be willing. So there are pros and cons. So we'll have to weigh all options. But the fact is that political will should be there for all the state governments, especially in the northeastern states.